Hi, I'm Darrius Willrich. Learn to play jazz piano with my simplified online course, Jazz Piano Pro Essentials. Learn major scales and clusters for the right hand. I'll show you some tips on how to play major scales for the left hand. I will then teach you to play the scales with both hands. After that, we'll learn triads, which are 3-note chords. Then I'll show you 4-note chords and diminished 7th chords. You'll practice random chords with my chord symbol cheat sheet as I demonstrate them. The next step is to show you how to play voicings with the least amount of effort. You'll learn the most used chord progression that will set you up to play jazz piano. I'll show you how to practice weaving between simple and expanded voicings. You'll learn advanced chord progressions and explore more possibilities. I will prepare you to play your first jazz song like a pro. Congratulations, you made it through the course and on to your next song.